In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PDF in Microsoft Edge. First, let's make sure we can find the file you want to open. Head to your computer's File Explorer. On Windows, that's the folder icon on your taskbar, or you can press the Windows key plus E. Navigate to the location where your PDF is saved, like your Downloads, Documents, or Desktop folder. If you have a lot of files, use the search box in the top right corner and type .pdf to filter your results. Once you see your file, it's helpful to glance at the name and location so you can easily come back to it later if needed. Now, let's open it in Microsoft Edge. Right-click the PDF file to bring up the context menu. Choose Open With and then select Microsoft Edge. Your PDF will launch in a new Edge tab using the built-in PDF viewer. If you don't immediately see Edge in the list, choose the option to select another app, then look for Microsoft Edge and confirm. If you prefer to always use Edge for PDFs, you can choose the option to always open .pdf files with this app the next time you pick it, but that's optional. Once the file opens, you'll notice a toolbar at the top with controls to zoom in and out, rotate, search within the document, and switch pages. There's also a quick alternative if you already have Edge open. Keep your browser window visible, then click and hold your PDF in File Explorer. Drag it over to the Edge window and drop it anywhere within the page area. Edge will open it instantly in a new tab. This drag and drop method is great when you're working with multiple files or if you're comparing documents side by side. If you don't see a new tab appear, make sure you're dropping the file onto the browser window itself, not the taskbar or desktop. A helpful tip while you're here: you can use Microsoft Edge to edit your PDF. The built-in tools let you add text, draw, or highlight, and even insert signatures on many documents. Look for the Add Text or Draw buttons in the toolbar. These tools are especially handy for quick form fills or annotations without needing extra software. Keep in mind that some advanced or secured PDFs may limit edits, but for everyday files, Edge's editor is more than enough. That's all there is to it. Locate your PDF, open it with Microsoft Edge, or simply drag and drop it into an open browser window and you're ready to read or make quick edits. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.